we are working with a selected group, in the sense very closely with the 75 farmers. And in the cluster, we are working 350 farmers. They are all coming in the TNAU. They started actually practicing all the technologies developed by
TNAU.
And actually they have their own soil testing results. So that's the first thing. Previously they apply fertilizers. Most of the time they blanket application. So blanket application in the sense university used to come about with fertilizer recommendation like 1 kilo of nitrogen, 1 kilo for phosphorus and 1 kilo of potash. But now they go by soil test.
You also taste macronutrients?
Yeah, they also apply.
As a result of the soil test, or people generally prefer?
Yes, they prefer
less fertilizer or more fertilizer?
Actually, most of the times, if they do on their own without actually the test, most of the time they overdo.
Okay.
So now they are very sure of actually applying the quantity, and I think most of the times it comes lesser than what they were doing the earlier. Actually, TNAU and IHDA intervention, you can see the sanitation. Individual trees are actually properly managed. Canopy management and opening of the plant. So this is very essential. Canopy management is very essential. You need to allow at least 30 to 40% sunlight. Then only when the crop will be, you get this income. So we do demonstration, selecting one farm. Actually, out of 75 or 100 people, we will select one farm and we will conduct demonstration, and everyone will see.
That's the same policy adopted by the departments also.
Previously, we used to stop with generation of technology, development of technology, and then it was the responsibility of the Department of Agriculture, government departments for transfer of technology and all those things. But then subsequently, the last 7-8 years, we have taken up. It started with some other project, now IHDA, association. The university on its own, with the help of local the farmers organizations, we have taken up these projects, transfer technology also. And then the kind of linkages that has been developed between the farmers and the institution has been so strong. They would be on the mobile phone. The IHDA, is it?
This is called Indian Horticulture Development Alliance project from PICA.
The stakeholdership and all, we started working closely with the farmers from 2007, after the intervention. They are applying. Mostly, what you are referring is culture. Culture is a chemical which is normally used to induce flowering. But we recommend those plants which are not, producing flowers regularly. But not for all the trees. When they are doing very well, we are not actually intervening with the R. But aged trees, sometimes the soil is not supporting enough. Then in such cases we recommend such chemicals. Otherwise, if you do all the cultural practices regularly, I think you'll be able to get a decent flower.
this mango growing association federation would have thousands of members altogether.
In Tamil Nadu there are about 18 districts now where mangoes are cultivated in large scale.
Okay.
So each district has got its own association. The federation was formed by 4 or 5
Tamil Nadu Mango Federation 6 years ago.
See, the federation was formed 6 years ago. Cluster approach was the
2 years.
2 years.
2 years. That is 6 years, is 2 years.
நீங்க இந்த ஃபெடரேஷன் ஆரம்பிச்ச டைம்ல என்ன திங்கிங் இருந்தது, என்ன உத்தேசம் வச்சுன்னுட்டு நீங்க ஃபெடரேஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்க?
நாங்கெல்லாம் தனித்தனியாக சார். அப்போ எல்லாம் நியாயமான விலைகள் வந்து சரியாக கிடைக்கல. அவங்க ஒரு சைடு ரொம்ப இன்டர்மீடியட் சின்ன சின்ன வியாபாரிங்க இருந்தாங்க. அவங்க வாங்கிட்டு அவங்க தான் நிறைய லாபம் சம்பாதிச்சாங்க. அதெல்லாம் போக்கணுன்றதுனால இதில் மூலிமா TNAU மூலிமா சார் வந்து ஒரு இது கொடுத்துருந்தாரு. அது மாதிரி நாங்கள்லாம் அந்தந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் ஒரு ஃபார்மர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் முன்னோடி விவசாயிகள்லாம் ஒன்று சேர்ந்து இப்போ யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் உட்காந்து நாங்கள் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி இது பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கெல்லாம் வழிமுறை சொன்னாங்க. அது பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் நாங்கள் வந்து எல்லாரும் கிளாஷ் ஆகாமல் தனித்தனியாக நாங்கள் வந்து டைரக்ட் டு தி கஸ்டமர், டைரக்ட் டு தி கன்சியூமர், டைரக்ட் டு தி பல்பர்ன்ற மாதிரி போகிறதுக்கு ஆரம்பித்தோம்.
I think it has started from the federation and then gone down.
Yeah.
And instead of that,
Initially we invited all the mango growers and we discussed with them what are all the problems, and finally there were several problems. Then we asked how to solve it. Then they said actually we need to.
No, the major problems which we were dealing in federation was production techniques previously. We never thought of marketing. Marketing was one of the aspects which we have discussed in that, but we were not given much thinking to that, because still we had a lot of production problems we used to discuss with among ourselves. So those things were going on. When IHDA has come in, a sudden spurt in marketing activities has started. Previously we were using paddy straw.
yeah,
After that I went for paper cuttings. Now after we were taken to Krishnagiri now very recently, and after seeing those things, now we are shifting to what is that sack, that cover, poly cover, apple covers, like what is that, polyurethane material. Yeah, now for netted material for this foam net. For this season I am going for foam net. That is more safe when compared to the paper or anything, because when we buy paper we don't know where it comes from. We buy the cut papers. And paddy straw also, it has got its own inconveniences. Now this foam net is an excellent idea which we got through by traveling here. Now we have ordered for foam nets. This season I am going to attack the market with the foam nets.
I see. You are going to develop one such. And how long you will be using that unit? And the rest of the time no?
See, I had because of this I had an idea. After seeing all these things, the pulping we can use different products like guava, tomato, and all those things can be used. What I thought as a farmer, I need to have 2 acres or 3 acres high-tech cultivation of tomato also. I should get like controlled atmosphere, so that round the year I will have tomatoes. Whenever the market is good, tomato can be sent to the market. Whenever the market slash gets down, I can convert it to puri.
in Maharashtra there one big unit is there. That is maintained by marketing development.
MSME.
Maharashtra
State Marketing Board. They are maintaining. They are doing it for the entire district. For the whole Ratnagiri and Vijayadurga district, they are doing it. But, all the farmers in the January itself, they are putting a contract, and they are those who are all going to export. They are bringing they are sending the samples, and they are sending, and they are doing it. Like that, we want one here, sir. For that, whether IHDA can do any in a bigger. But what they are doing, they are washing, they are cleaning, and they are grading, and they are sending the ripening chamber, and from ripening chamber to goes to radiation to quarantine to export. This is the linkage they are having in Maharashtra. Like that.
Since Maharashtra is having sponge more, We are having the ability to
That is, they are having their own problem. That is the Maharashtra, because of the temperature goes, when the temperature goes, the sponge issue is more. Yeah. But in our area, the sponge issue is not coming. That is an advantage to Tamil Nadu. So like that, if IHDA and the university and the government, or if anything is formed, one common, because the Krishnagiri and Dharmapuri is the ideal center for that total exporting and pulping industry. It's a very good place. Like that, if you have, you can catch the entire retail market and export market. Now the Alfonso market also is developing here rapidly, along with the Bengaluru for pulp.
Table varieties.
The pulp industry, we are reaching the maximum, not saturation, but we are growing very good, very fast. Because neighboring Andhra, Chittoor district is there, so the adjacent districts, 2 districts. The state are also adjusting, the districts are all adjacent. So that is because of that, this is going on. Like that, if IHDA do anything, it will be very, very helpful to the farmer.
What has happened is now, because of these improved practices and all that, many retail industries, rather retail chains, are coming directly to the farmer's gate and purchase it. And they are resulting in at least 30% price increase for them. Price increase realization is at least 30%, if not more.
Who are some of those retailers?
The retailers are Coca-Cola, retail,
department store. Coimbatore 24 chains வச்சிருக்காங்க. ரிலையன்ஸ் அவங்க கரெக்ட்டா ஒரு நாள் விட்டு ஒரு நாள் வந்தாங்கன்னா 10 மாங்காய் எடுப்பாங்க. இந்த சின்ன வண்டி வச்சிருக்காங்க. அந்த வண்டியில வந்து 5 ல இருந்து 7 டன் எடுப்பாங்க. ஒரு நாள் விட்டு ஒரு நாள் 7 டன் எடுப்பாங்க. அதுல வந்து ஒரே ஆள் 7 டனுக்கு மாங்காய் தர முடியாது இல்லையா? மெச்சூரானங்க. அதனால வந்து என் கிளஸ்டர் இருக்கிற ஃபார்மர் தீட்டு வந்து 1 டன் 2 டன் 3 டன் 1/2 டன் மெச்சூரான மாங்காய் மொத்தம் அறுத்து கொடுத்து அவங்ககிட்ட காசு வாங்கி. ரிலையன்ஸ்
departmental stores, they have chains. And the பேர் என்ன சொன்னீங்க?
கண்ணன் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் செயின் ஸ்டோர்.
Kannan departmental chain store is there in Tamil Nadu,
Coimbatore,
which is based headquarters at Coimbatore, and they have a chain all over the state. They are coming and directly purchasing at the farmer's gate. From there,
Kannan departmental store.
Kannan departmental store.
ரிலையன்ஸ் வந்து வாங்கிட்டு போறாங்க.
And Reliance also is purchasing.
பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்போர்ட்டர்ஸ் சொல்லிட்டு திருவள்ளூர்ல இருந்து ஒருத்தர் வந்து வாங்கிட்டு போனாரு. ஸ்பென்சர் வாங்கி போயிருக்காங்க.
அப்புறம் நாம்தாரி பேர் கூட
வந்தாரு. சிவகுமார்ன்ற ஒருத்தர் வந்து வாங்குவாரு. அதுக்கு முதல்ல ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாரு. அவங்களாம் வந்து வாங்கி போனாங்க.
And
ஸ்பென்சர்
major consumption is from Jain, who are into the biggest
pulping industry. Coca-Cola வந்து ஜெயின் கிட்ட போறாங்க.
Here also we have 55 pulping units. Our farmers are also selling their own local pulping units.
Last year, how many tons he sold to this department?
6 tons.
So as out of 20 டன்ல 6 டன் வந்து போன ரொம்ப கம்மி. பேர் என்ன? ஜெயகோபி. 31 ரூபாய் ரேட் கொடுத்தாங்க.
Is the major supplier for the Kannan store.
சார்
அந்த cluster எல்லாம் சேர்த்து எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தீங்க?
36. நாங்க 36 டன் கொடுத்தோம்.
36 tons from the cluster.
எங்க ஊர்ல இருந்து எங்க கிளஸ்டர்ல இருந்து.
Another gentleman is number cluster.
சார் நாங்க எதுக்கு கண்ணனுக்கு சேல் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
மாதவன் சார் fruits.
சார் எங்க கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு 200 fruits
200 tons.
அமெரிக்கன் fruits.
நீங்க எந்த கிளஸ்டர்ல பேசுறீங்க?
This cluster. Several clusters. There are totally 5. One is placed around 30 kilometers away from here, and 4 are in the surrounding areas.
Pochampally cluster ல ஒரு 200. நான் Pochampally cluster. Cluster ல
200 tons.
200 tons. எங்க கொடுத்தீங்க?
ரிலையன்ஸ் இது ரிலையன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம்.
அவங்க இங்க வந்து வாங்கிட்டாங்க.
இங்க வந்து
purchased it from the cluster.
ஜெயினுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கோம்.
அந்த 200 tonsல ஃப்ரெஷ் மார்க்கெட் டேபிள் வெரைட்டிக்கு எவ்வளவு பல்பிங்
ஒரு 50 tons இது சார்
டேபிள் வெரைட்டி 50 tons.
250 tons to pulping.
Giant karma.
250 tons for table purpose.
Sir, in the 36 table.
This is only 36, all the 36
tons
This means 36 tons was only for table.
Only for table purpose.
500 tons.
Sir, meeting each cluster, how much they produce, how much was sold for
Okay. உங்களோட கிளஸ்டர் பேர் என்ன சொல்லுங்க?
பெஸ்ட்.
இல்ல உங்களுக்கு
கிளஸ்டர்
36 tons
For table purpose.
லோக்கல்ல கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா வாங்கி பண்ணா கணக்கு.
அண்ணா ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. டேபிள் பர்பஸ் 36 கொடுத்து.
Round about 500 tons. Not less than 500 tons.
500 tons for pulping.
Not less than
Yes.
500 tons.
This is for the
From
same,
that cluster.
best cluster.
the 36 expression.
So local pulp. Sir, local pulp.
அது விடுங்க, அது இங்கே
ஜெயிலுக்கு கொடுத்துக்கிறோம். இவரு
இல்ல டோட்டல்
Name is high-tech.
நீங்க டேபிள் பர்பஸ்க்கு எவ்வளவு வித்துவீங்க?
50 tons for table purpose.
They have concentrated on farther market.
Kerala market.
Next
Nearby districts, nearby states. Right. They cannot segregate this is not good, that is not good, reduce 1 kg or 2 kg. All those discussions are not there.
It's already graded.
Already graded and best quality is there. He cannot segregate any bad fruits. So the realization was very good.
And it is reducing their labor also.
Yes, definitely. They are also in the advantage.
எப்பவுமே நம்ம ஆளுங்க வந்து சின்ன பழத்தை கீழே போட்டு மேல 4 பழம் நல்ல பழத்தை வச்சு வித்து காசு பண்ணிருந்தாங்க இல்லையா? பட் அந்த ஐடியாக்கள் இந்த வாட்டி நாங்க போல. கரெக்டா என்ன மேல பாத்தீங்களா அதே கீழே வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. அதனால எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 10-15 ரேண்டமா செக் பண்ணி பார்த்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் they believe us, we believe them.
Normally the farmers what they use
built up a lot of trust by selling the right graded fruits in a package. Usually the normal tendency was to keep the smaller fruits.
best fruits at the top and the bottom we used to load with ungraded fruits. All those practices were discarded. Now we could able to give the best and get the best.
So in addition to getting the good realization, their reputation has gone up, and the relationship between the buyer and these producers has become so well.
Trust.
It's now based on a matter of trust.
Previously, when we go for commodity marketing or whatever these things, they used to pour the crate upside down and see what's happening. Now they don't do that. By seeing the brand, they accept as it is. They don't take it out and see. As such, the crates are moved.
They trust your grade.
Yeah, they have trusted us.
கடைசி வண்டிக்கு டிரைவர் கிட்ட காசு கொடுத்தமிச்சாங்க. இடையே போட்டு இவரோட காசு ஆச்சு நானே வந்து இது பண்ணி பில்லு போட்டு அவங்களுக்கு காசு கொடுத்தமிச்சேன். அவங்க அதை அப்படியே ஏத்துக்கிறாங்க.
The trust has gone to such a level. The last truck that had come, only the driver brought the money. He got the things loaded and gave the money.
நம்பிக்கை ஆயிடுச்சு.
That much அந்த அளவு நாங்க செஞ்சு கொடுத்தோம் வேலையை.
That is the level of trust they have generated.
How many years it took for the
2 வருஷம் இருக்குது.
No, for the past 2 years we are working on this marketing. Before that, I was telling you it's only the production techniques that was in our mind. It didn't strike us. Now marketing is more important than production techniques.
So when they started producing,
took a lot of pain to
grading,
mobilize the
find buyers.
Buyers are very happy. Now the buyers, the sellers like the retail shops, they had never seen such a quality mangoes in their shops previously. Even this Kannan, what they have supplied, they were wondering how these fruits could be, we could able to get like that. So the customers are very happy, the retailers are very happy because if otherwise, if our efforts are not there, the retailers cannot get such type of fruits at all to the market. All with blemishes, black spots, this and that. Now they could able to sort out and take good fruits. So the customers are also must be happy.
நாங்க கொடுத்த காயில சார் நாங்க காய் கொடுத்தோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு போனாங்க ஒரு மேனேஜர் வந்து வாங்கி போவார் இல்லையா? நாங்க நல்ல காயை கொடுத்தோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ஓனர் வந்து அந்த மேனேஜருக்கு 5 வெள்ளி காசை பறிச்சு கொடுத்துருக்காரு. Silver coins gift.
The purchase.
Sir, actually, now people are improved.
Sir,
say he is a pulper. I am the pulper. We are the nearly 58 manufacturing units there. India is the number 1. Krishnagiri district is the highest production. 10 years back. highest production. We are nearly about 8,500 containers we are producing here.
8,500 containers.
8,500 containers.
What is the
One container, it contains 18.6 metric ton of mango pulp. Our president, I am the secretary.
Federation also, this is a mango
Process
federation.
Here Krishnagiri, nearly about, previously it is fast, 5 years before it is 40,000 hectares cultivating mango crop. Now it is more than after IHDA, it is entering, it is nearly 10,000 to 15,000 hectares increased.
increased by increase in the
Mango, because of, due to this, they are supplying now quality mangoes, more important quality mangoes. They are sending now grading, selected fruits they are sending now. And
they are informed what is the problem of facing immunity. So just about black specks, anthracnose, lot of the stem rot. So you have shown them, if you have black specks, it is being rejected export. So we are in the field more than 20. We started in 1990.
Yes, that is exactly why that particular starch
we
have to leave at a higher distance.
Yes, sir. It is really, sir, we are Krishnagiri people, we are very thankful to Dr. Balamogan sir. We are actually, what are the problem, what are the pesticides, what are the diseases it is there. Previously the people doesn't know. Now like that simply they like that they will supply the fruits. We are facing lot of quality issues. No, we are very thankful to this IHDA and Dr. Balamogan sir. He made a very good platform with a dialogue to the farmers and producers.
Marketing also. We had a meeting also last time with Coca-Cola, Masa, with the purchase officer, executive vice president, something like that. We had a meeting in May last year, same budget. We had a lot of interaction about the price, something like that, quality.
Now we are purchasing from the direct from the farmers, sir. They are also getting very good rate.
No
intermediate people.
Table variety. Remaining we are purchasing processing. Alfonso. It also Pochampally. We are going because of this.
So you blend it, is it?
No, nothing but
pure Alfonso.
Pure Alfonso and Pochampally.
Being exported to Japan also. Yesterday it has gone to Japan.
Based on requirements. Specification of the purchases.
Bricks, salinity, color, you got the orange color. If you have mixed it, it will have change. So we have got color specification. We have got a lot of parameters. International standard. We have to meet the buyer's requirements also. We are very happy this area. I was JDA Coimbatore 1985. I retired long back.
We have gone along with our fruits in properly packed way. We sold our fruits. It was a great eye-opener for us, and also he has given a great confidence to how to sell fruits in our Delhi market or Mumbai market. Like that, we need to visit lot of conferences.
The mango festival that was celebrated somewhere in the country.
Yes, in Delhi.
In Delhi.
Yeah, we visited. The mango festival. Not mango. Marketing. Mango.
Even Lalbagh it had taken.